Okay, so what I've done in preparation is the watch is wound down so the hands don't move, and then I've put the dial in place with both hands dead on 12 o'clock, which is normal, and that makes them easier to take off. The sweep is around on the 22, and then I've put a big number, so double twos and a triple letter date in the window, because it's all about lining the dial up when it goes back on. So that's got to match up with the other thing that will catch your eye is the chapter ring, which is the number scale on the inside edge there. So up here everything's all pretty much lined up, and back here on the 15 at 3 o'clock, hopefully we'll get that in place in one go. Case back opener. Little release button just here, and that's the crown art. Put it in a little tray. And flip it over on the cushion. And then now we can lose 80% of the weight. Okay. I'll have to have a look at the hands and see. Let's have a look at you can see how loose it is here. Look. No fixings at all. So it'll be interesting to see the reverse side of this. It's absolutely just totally free. So a little touch on the sweep hand, and that's on its way around. So a case of waiting for it to come round. This is to protect the dial so it doesn't get scratched, even though it won't scratch it, but it's got nylon pieces there. Yep. Okay. supposedly you should be able to see where the feet broke off. Okay, yep, there's one. Let's get a little thinner pointer so you can see. There's one there that broke off, and the other one is just there, and they're in there. One's, just see if you can see that. And one's in there by the 8, and the other one's over here by